We as the Gen Zs, we as the future generation, we as the youths of Homabay County, we've been quiet. We thought that you would have you would have put down the finance bill as the demands of other youths in the country, but you failed. So we are promising you a very stiff, tight demonstration Tuesday next week. And we would like to invite the policemen. If they will come, let them ensure that we are peaceful, we'll be peaceful. But if they expose us to any danger, we promise you more danger as the Homabay County youths.
How can you not listen to the voice of the people? We have been rioting throughout this week, claiming that you shouldn't pass the finance bill. Yet you claim that with that we can't build roads, we can't what? Like literally that is a big no. I'm so proud of Kaluma, our honorable MP Kaluma Opondo, for saying no to the finance bill. And on Tuesday we are going to riot as Homabay Gen Zs, and I'll be the front line of it.
The President is always talking about the future. Mr. President, you know you are at your old age. You can die of old age, but we will die of taxation. The punitive taxation is a big no to the Gen Zs. Thank you.
It is our time to come out as the young people. We have suffered enough, and if we continue living in silence, we are going to be oppressed. We are going to suffer the consequences.